Okay, this is how to install Google Drive, okay, as a desktop application on a PC. First, get to this link, all right? You can see this link here, workspace.google.com/products/drive/hash downloads, okay? Download. So I will have the link in the description, okay? So once you're on this page, you scroll down and get to this section with the text, sync your desktop with Drive. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on this download Drive for desktop. Once you do this, the application file will be downloaded into your PC. I have downloaded that already, so you do that. It's about 300 megabytes of application file. All right, so once you do that, then get and open your file explorer. All right, then once you open your file explorer, you'll find this in the downloads folder. All right, I'm on the downloads folder, so you'll find the application file here. You can see that Google Drive setup, that's the name it comes with. All right, so double click on this Google Drive setup, double click on it. On double clicking on it, you will see this notification saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Okay, so what you need to do is to click on yes. Then click on install. So this application will be installed on your PC as a desktop app. All right, and here I'm done installing it. So I'll click on launch. And here we are. So the next step you need to take here is to click on this button, get started. All right, then on this new page you click on sign in. All right, so sign in with your email address and password. Here I don't want to sign in here, but just sign in with your email address and password, and you are good to go. And once you do that, you'll be able to start using this on the desktop as a desktop application. Thank you. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel, all right, by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you, and see you some other time.